Right, so what is up guys, SD Peasy here, and today we're going to be talking about views and YouTube stats and whatever, and today the main focus is going to be how to get your one of your videos to 10,000 views. That seems like an astronomical number, even for literally a tiny channel like me. I have 658 subscribers at current moment in time, which is actually insane considering we literally hit 600 subscribers yesterday. So thank you so much for the support. It's blowing my mind at the minute. I don't even know how to comment on it. Literally, it's absolutely blowing my mind. I don't know what to say. It's insane. But thank you very much for your support. But today we're going to focus on how to get 10,000 views on one of your videos, even with very little subscribers, such as myself. I think I uploaded this video when I had less than, I think probably just over 500 subscribers. Even if not, probably maybe even less than 500 subscribers. So it's certainly doable. So let's jump into it. Right, so we're over on my YouTube studio here. As you can see on the screen here, we've got my recent video yesterday, the 600 subscriber video, got 108 views. It tells you all your little stats about how your video is doing, so it did quite well for me. We're currently at 658 subscribers, as you can see, 172 in the last 28 days. Mind-blowing. Watch time is up by 200%, and views is up by 150% pretty much, so hell of a month. A hell of a month. And of course, in the last for some reason, in the last 48 hours, my TGF video, which is the video we're going to be talking about today, has got 6,000 views. And my phase rain video from the other day has 1.4 thousand views. It's been a bit mad the last few days, it's safe to say. So as you can see here, the phase rain video now has 1,368 views with a 95.9% like rate. So we literally have 47 likes and I think 1 dislike, which is mental stats really. And what we're going to do here is we're going to scroll down a little bit. As you can see here, we've got the 4,600 views on the Mini Minter and Randolph song, the Helium song. So it's not like this is a one-off occurrence. I have learned ways on how to do this on a consistent basis. Here we go, 4,600 on the Warzone Gold vehicles. So this is not some sort of fluke or some sort of one-off. I have a rough idea of what I'm doing. So as you can see, we've got to go a little bit further, Here we go. So I actually didn't even have 400 subscribers at the time. So I've just gone past my 400 subscriber special. So as you can see here, we've got 10,243 views, 98 comments, 293 likes to 64 dislikes, which is, for this channel, kind of nuts. So what we're going to do here is delve into some ideas as to maybe why this video did so well. So, as you can see, what I did here at the time is I targeted a really big thing that was going on Twitter, a really big social media trending topic, and that was TGF. And that was the idea of them losing their camera equipment, having everything taken away from them for the video where they rolled the car in the street, obviously endangering people, and the police took all of their equipment away, and that was a really trending topic at the time. So I thought I'll make a video on it, give my opinion on the matter. And that's always a very good start, is if you can find a trending topic, it's always good to be able to give your opinion on a trending topic. People love to see your opinion and have to debate against you in the comments. That's definitely a way to do this. Certainly focus on finding trending topics is a very key part of getting these viral videos. Also, another very key part, now as you can see here, something to definitely download if you are looking to maybe hit these viral videos is either the browser extension TubeBuddy or vidIQ. Now I use vidIQ because TubeBuddy crashed my browser a little bit. But basically what it helps you do, as you can see, I wasn't using this at the time. I didn't use this properly at the time. Actionable scored a 32.6 out of 50 on my video of things I could have had. So as you can see here, I only used 289 out of the 500 tags. Now if I'd use more of the tags, then obviously the more chance you've got of people seeing this. But what you have got to do when you want to get these viral videos is make sure your tags focus on the things important in the video and also things related that have got a very high search rate. So for instance, it was about TGF, so I'm also in the title put loads of their recent video titles in there. So the swimming pool, the world's hottest room, the bathing in, the letting chickens. I put loads of things in that they have used in their title recently, so that people are still going to be searching that, and then they're going to come across my video in the process. That is a very key thing to do. Also a very key thing to do is keywords. Now if you can fit, the best thing to do is obviously your topic, put your keywords, which are words that YouTube will pick up on because you're using them constantly throughout the description, the title and the video tags. Now obviously TGF bro, TGF bro, TGF bro, police, police, police. they are very high keywords, words that people are going to be searching across the platform, and therefore coming across my video because they are searching these specific words. That is the best way to describe this to you. If you look at the analytics of this video, you'll be able to see that it literally just took off. As you can see, it's in actual real time, it currently has 11.3k views. And from this video, I actually gained 49 subscribers in total, according to YouTube statistics, and we gained 476.3 watch hours from a 6-minute video. That's kind of nutty when you think about it. And the best way to describe this is you've got to be paying attention to your YouTube analytics. As you can see here, analytics are very important. It's a very easy way to see how people are coming across your video. So as you can see here, of my views, 94% of them came from YouTube searches. So people searching the words like TGF, police, TGF cancel by the police, TGF's recent video. People searching things like that. That's how 94% of people came across my video. So by using the keywords, that's how it excelled and did so well. So as you can see here, we started off, it did quite well right at the start. In the first few days, we had a couple of hundred views. It was doing really well for me at the time. That was a fantastic start already. Then I think so after about 2.5 weeks, we managed to hit 1,000 views in this video, which was mental for me. I wasn't doing that very often. Then we had a massive spike, and by 3 weeks' time, it was at 3,000 views. So in this little period here, which was sort of between 2.5 weeks and 4 weeks, sorry. So about in a week and a half, we managed to accumulate over 2,000 views, which was kind of mental. And as you can see here, the curve continues to go up until recently. We were at about 5,000 views a few days, in fact, yesterday. So within the last day, TGF has clearly been a key topic word. So we've managed to gain 6,000 views in the last day on this video. So focusing on keywords and topics is obviously the easiest way I'm going to be able to describe this to you. And it's the easiest way to do this. Now, obviously, don't get me wrong, when you're making viral videos, there is an element of luck. You have got to get lucky. There is obviously techniques you can use. There is things you can do. Like I show you, you've got to have an engaging thumbnail. You've got to have an engaging title so people want to click on the video. They're interested by your title, by your thumbnail, which obviously they were by mine because plenty of people clicked it. The description's got to be clear on what the video is about. You've got to have good video tags. There is ways of doing this, obviously targeting trending topics, but you also do need a bit of luck. And it's safe to say that I got my fair share of luck here, as well as I did use the things that I'll explain to you. I did use topics as well, and the key things required to make this sort of video were used, as well as obviously the bit of luck that you do need. Obviously, you could make a video with the perfect tags, with the perfect this, the perfect that, and it just may never hit any views. Nobody may ever see it. But if you manage to get lucky, like for instance, like this phase rain video I did 2 days ago, currently has 1,300 views, 95% likes, like I was suggesting. You do require a bit of luck. Now, I have upgraded what I do now. My description is a bit more sort of social media. It's more interesting. You've got emojis in there, so people more want to read it. It's engaging. We've got an engaging thumbnail. We've got a title that is currently about a topic that's trending on Twitter. So you see a theme here. We're using high volume tags, as you can see here. These are things people are searching. And we scored a 46.2 on this video. So as you can see, having this sort of program like vidIQ definitely helps, because then you'll know you're doing the right things to get on track for this. So as you can see, this is not a fluke. I have done this multiple times now. If we go to, we search by views here on YouTube, I believe I now have about 7 or 8 views or 1,000 views. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 7 views. 7 videos that have over 1,000 views. We've got 3 of those. Not 7, sorry. 6, sorry. We've got 3 of those are currently within the 1,000 to 2,000 range. Then we've got 2 in the 4,000 to 5,000 range. And then, of course, we've got the TGF video, which is currently on about 10 or 11k views. So as you can see, you do need a bit of luck, but you also have got to be doing the right sort of things and adding the right sort of things to your titles, your thumbnails, to get that bit of luck needed on YouTube. So there you have it, guys. They are my tips on how to get viral videos or hit 10,000 views on one of your videos. But that is my viral video tips. Hopefully they can help you out, and definitely look to installing one of the free web browsers of vidIQ and TubeBuddy if you are a YouTuber. They will massively help you with your video tags and just how you structure your videos to get more views, which has certainly helped me. Of course, also use the X Academy program. That has definitely helped me. I've learned a lot from that. I'm really growing now, and hopefully this is my time. You know, maybe it is, and we're going to hit 1,000 sooner than we thought. At this rate, it looks like it could be very soon, and I really hope that it is, because I'm trying super hard. So if you are new around here, please subscribe to this channel and stick around for more. Drop a like on this video if it has helped you in any way, and drop down in the comments any other tips you may have for other people, or if you have enjoyed, let me know. I'm always reply to all of my comments, and something I like to do. Thank you very much for watching. Like I say, if you have enjoyed, please drop a like and subscribe.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever when I can't hold you.